Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. For today's tutorial, I did this burgundy smoky eye look, and if you'd like to see how I created this look, then just keep on watching. So I started by putting a piece of tape under my eyes, and that's just going to help it to be easier to clean up. And then now we're going to start by priming our eyelid. And I'll be using a concealer, and the concealer I'll be using is the Maybelline Fit Me concealer in the color Fair. And to blend that, I'll be using a Bare Minerals coverage concealer brush, and which is this one. And I'll list everything I use in this video down in the description box. And then to set that concealer, I'll be using this color right here, and that's from the Beige Cosmetics Carli Bybel Deluxe Edition palette. And then for our crease, I will be using this color right here. And then we can blend that with the blending brush. And then for our lid, I'll be using this color right here. And then we can remove the tape. And then for eyeliner, I'll be using the e.l.f. liquid liner in the color Jet Black. And the mascara I'll be using is my favorite, and it's the Maybelline Great Lash in the color Blackest Black. And then for our waterline, I'll be using an e.l.f. brightening eyeliner in the color black. And for our bottom lash line, we'll be using the same dark burgundy color. And then for our tear duct, we'll be using this white color right here. And for foundation, I'll be using my favorite number 7 Airbrush Away foundation in the color Cool Beige. And then for concealer, I'll be using the same one, the Maybelline Fit Me concealer in the color Fair. And to blend my concealer, I'll be using my Beauty Blender with some Fix Plus. And then I'll add 2 coats of the same mascara I used earlier for our bottom lashes. And to bronze our face, I'll be using the Sephora MicroSmooth Baked Bronzer Duo in the color Honey Heat. And then for highlight, I'll be using the Becca Cosmetics Shimmering Skin Perfector Pressed in the color Moonstone. And to make the highlight pop a little bit more, we'll be adding the same white color as we used for the tear duct. And then for lips, I'll be using the Rose Artist Natural lipstick from Makeup Forever. And this is in the number 9. And I'm not sure they still have this because I got it as a birthday gift. And to finish our makeup, I'll be using the NYX Dewy Finish Long Lasting Setting Spray. And here is the finished look. And if you like this video, don't forget to press the like button, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys on my next video. Thank you. Bye.